Hello guys, and welcome to Al Crusher Repair Center channel. We have a BMW 5 Series 2019. As you can see, the car is stripped already. The car has keys scratched all around the car and some damages as well. So the client, he decided to get it repaired and painted. Plus we have to put a body kit, like the side skirt lip, front lip as well on the bumper, rear diffuser, and then we have to color code the mirror covers and the boot small spoiler. You can see here, this is the parts, this is the kit. They're not genuine, but they are really good the quality. Can you flip open this is the rear diffuser. This is carbon fiber and glossy black as well. That's gonna look very nice when we put it on the car. I really like it, the way it's being done. It's absolutely nice. As you can see, the back of it, how it looks now, but when we put the other diffuser, you will see how it's gonna look. It's gonna make a lot different. Here you go, the job has been completed. The bumper back on the car. We put the splitter on the front and that little complementary as well, all glossy black. Gives the front different look, looks amazing, a bit aggressive as well. Side skirt lip, we color coded the mirror covers, we color coded that small spoiler goes on the boot. It was white, the guy he wanted glossy black as well to match the rest of the bits of pieces we've been put on. And this is the rear diffuser, that's come carbon fiber and glossy black. It's absolutely amazing. If you look at it, it's very nice, absolutely nice. I really like it. This is the other side as well, same, and these both sides and the bonnet being painted. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.